Hey folks, do you see the glow of my eyes? Ooh. Hey y'all, this evening, about dark, my daughter went to go lock up the chickens. And, well, you guessed it, we had a visitor. And the visitor that we had, we're not about to go out there and rush it on out of there. So I just went on out. I hope you just enjoy this video. Just remember, they're still God's creatures. I think we're going to see Petunia. I think Petunia's out here. Let's see if Petunia's in here. And her baby. Is Petunia in here? I see one. Hello, little feller. Hello, little feller. I was told there was two in here, but I only see one. Hello, little guy. You come in here for some eggs, huh? It's okay, little feller. Can we do the zoom here? How's that? How you doing, little feller, huh? Well, I'm not going to come in there and bother you. Let's see how many chickens we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All our chickens are here. And you can see that little Petunia down here is just down here interested in eggs. So we're going to leave little Petunia alone before we lock things on up, folks. I hope you all enjoyed this. Just remember, folks, if Petunia don't find you handsome like me, she can find you handy like me. And if she don't find you handy like me, just pray that she don't find ya. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye. Night, night, Petunia. Sleep well. Here, Petunia. Are you still here? Yep, she's still there, folks. She's still there. Hello, Petunia.